and dear colleagues. Uh, Today I am going to deal with the topic as this Dhwani presented. The entire presentation is all about in scholars' life. So let us look what is scholars' life with the different perspective. Let us try to look with Inception movie. Introduction. So, as Howard Jones noted in his scholarly article, The Social Responsibility of Scholarship, that what is the responsibility as a scholar in society, that what is our business is, as he understand it, that is to find out in a humble spirit of inquiry what literary masterpieces really say. So there is existed knowledge available in our society, and as a scholar, we have to go with their genesis, and we have to go deeply in that masterpieces. So research is not merely about to discover something new information. So as a scholar, that I have come across that yes, it is something new, that it is all about research. So it is not. What is our duty as a scholar is to contribute something original and insightful to the society, and this process is somewhere that is endless, we can say. Now, let us see what is the meaning, literal meaning of inception word. As Merriam-Webster dictionary gives the definition, that it is an act, process, or instance of beginning, something that is beginning, that is commencement. Commencement. Britannica said, on the other hand, that the time, the very precise time at which something that is speaking. So, as a scholar, uh, our journey starts from where we thought that now I should now I should explore my life with this adventure. I have to go with this, this world. So when a research scholar chooses to enter a field of study, this research particularly, their conception begins to take shape. So our ideology, our thinking pattern, our apart from that, all that what we think, what we thought already, and what afterwards we look the things, that is quite differently, that we are looking all the things while we are studying, or while we are exploring, while we are researching within that existing knowledge. So we can say that the inception of scholars journey begins with their enrollment in the program. So as that for example, my interest is in film studies, that I want to do research in film studies within humanities. So under the humanities concern, so my thought process and the entire journey started from that time that I decide to enroll in PhD program. As Eltic said in his work, The Art of Literary Research, that uh, knowledge is a basic equipment for research. So, uh, scholars' basic equipment is a knowledge of the authoritative edition of literary correspondence. So if I have a very basic knowledge before I entered in this particular room and doing presentation, but I still have not the basic understanding that what is research, even that Eltic said, that what is methodology, that what is even film studies, that I have taken the movie right now here in this presentation. So it will it will falsify afterwards. So there there are many times in every scholar's life when he or she cannot bear even to think of his current project. So in our lives, there are certain points, and there will come the certain points that we forget about that what we are doing as a research scholar, that we forget about that, yes, we are PhD scholar, but we simultaneously we look our life as a basic what we lived before we are entering in PhD program. So uh, life wine, yes, let alone do any of the reading or writing it requires. So LT suggests us that reading and writing requires us to keep ourselves within this adventure of research scholar and within this adventure of research. So in Inception movie, there is a very symbolical, or let us see that metaphorical scene is that a music synchronized kick. So in Inception movie, the movie that is by Christopher Nolan that released in 2020, that this protagonist Dom Tob, he has mastery to stole the ideas within from the subconscious mind of the people. So he basically is doing the stealing only. So we as a scholar, we have to something that we have to synchronize with our scholar's life and with our normal life. So in this movie, there is a French song that non gene rain. This song, while they play this song, they quickly wake up from the dream. For the final proof, as Eldick said, that of the scholar's maturity, as it is the ultimate justification of the profession to which he has dedicated himself is the book that contains the essence of 1,000 books and articles and reveals in bold outline the patterns of art and thought that hitherto were hidden under the weight of detail. So as a scholar, we have to go through the detailed process or detailing of the existed knowledge. Same that in Inception that we can read that Cobb's ability to layer multiple dreams within each other. So our protagonist in the movie, Dom Cobb, has the ability to go in the dream of the particular person within that subconscious mind. He can steal the idea. So as a scholar, we have to distinguish, or we have to go deep and deep with the particular work. Now, another reading that I tried to read from the movie, that is symbolic reading of Top. So let us see what in Eltick's book, what Canadian scholar or critic George Velle noted that no true scholar can lack critical acumen, and the scholar's eye is rather like the poet's. Why? Because he further said, not to be sure, in a fine frenzy rolling, but at least looking for something as yet unknown, which it knows it will find. So while I'm doing research in, let us take, for example, that my area, that film studies, I came across this discipline, that film studies, that we can read as a humanities student, we can read films, we can interpret films. So from that perspective, if I am looking that it is very small information, it is very in the quantity of that information, that is very small. So I have to go deeper and deeper. So this 6 month whatever I have read, whatever I have seen in the movie, from the another next 6 months, that maybe it is possible that my perspective will be different, will be broad. So with perceptions heightened and modified by the act of looking. So in the movie, top is Dob snipping this top, as I mentioned in conclusion, that in a similar way to how Dob Cobb relied on the snipping top, that every dream that he he just come to know about that, yes, there is something happen in this particular dream, so I have to snip top to find that I am in reality or in dream. So top the spinning top to maintain his awareness of reality in the movie. So while in our life, in research scholars life, we must remain grounded within the scope of our research projects and academic fields. But here I also make a point that that is not in this presentation, but at the end of the movie, uh, Cobb want to spend his the final life with his children. So there are many times that Cobb went to the dream and want to see their children. So at the end, Cobb didn't spin this top because he want to spread his entire life with that particular only reality. What is his another job is that to go someone's dream and steal their idea and to grow something some other idea to their particular person's mind. It his occupation or his job. But why he not spin the top, that now he dedicated his life, now he want to his life, now he want to keep himself with his children, so he chooses that option, and that is why he won't spin that particular top at the final scene of the movie. So we can I tried to connect this movie with our scholars life, with inception of a scholar's life. So these are my citation. Thank you.